Find the acute angle theta when cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta equals to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. From this, we have to find only angle, whatever it may be. We are using one method called applying componendo and dividendo. Suppose I would like to take a small fraction. 3 by 2 is always equals to 6 by 4. Am I right or not? Here two ratios are equal. Here also two ratios are equal. Am I clear? 2 3s are 2 2s are. Again that one only. Am I clear? See here. I would like to take a numerator. This is my numerator. I will add denominator. I will subtract denominator. I will add denominator to the numerator. At the same time, I will subtract the denominator from the numerator and I will take again ratio. Similarly, here 6 minus 4 by, 6 plus 4 by 6 minus 4. By observing these two, 5 by how much? 1 is equals to 10 by 2. 2 1 yeah, 2 5 again 1 by 5 is equals to 5 by 1 is equals to 5 by 1. This method is called componendo and dividendo. Okay, here coming to given point. This is two ratios are given to me. I can apply componendo, dividendo to get equivalent. That's now cos theta minus sin theta is divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equals to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. This is my problem. This is my numerator. I will add it to the numerator. At the same time, I will subtract. And I will take the ratio. Cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta. I would like to write plus here. Is divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta. This is equals to 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 is divided by plus 1 minus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3. This process is called componendo dividendo. Just this is added to this one and this is subtracted from this one and you have to take the ratio. Same we can apply here. Now see here. Sin theta get cancelled. This is minus sin theta, this is plus sin theta. Clear? Cos theta plus cos theta. 2 cos theta. Clear? See here. By observing this one, this is minus cos theta. By applying minus, here minus, here plus, plus into minus, minus cos theta. This is minus into plus, minus. These two get cancelled. Cos theta minus cos theta, minus sin theta, minus sin theta by applying minus here. Minus 2 sin theta. This is equals to plus root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 2 divided by, see here, minus 1 get cancelled. This is minus into plus minus root 3. This is 1 minus root 3 and this is 1 minus root 3. Minus 2 root 3. Here 2 get cancelled. Here 2 one time. Minus minus get cancelled. Now see this. Cos theta by sin theta again. Very good. Cot theta. Cot theta is equals to cot theta. Cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin. Oh. Cot theta is equals to 1 by root 3. I know cot theta is equals to cot theta is equals to cot 60 degrees is equals to, I would like to write tan 30 degrees. This is easy. 1 by root 3. Cot 30, its inverse ratio, root 3 by 1. That's better, I think so. Okay. Next, cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Now we are going to tan 60 is equals to root 3. Its inverse ratio, cot 60 is equals to 1 by root 3. I would like to write in place of this 1 by root 3. In place of this, I would like to write cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but so cot theta is equal to cot 60. Cot get cancelled. Theta is equals to 60. This is my answer.